here at the lake. You guys probably know just by looking at the ramp. You got to pay $35 for some ramp like this. But yeah. Josh, you got to unhook it real quick. Yep. Unhook it real quick. When? That's a good one. First fish of me, for me of the day on the old cover scat.
And baits.
I like this edge though right here. See, every time we want to leave.
Every time we just move off is when we catch him.
Yeah, I should just keep us here. Oh, he's like in the grass. I'm sorry. Below the lockfish. Say, give me a Jekoyami.
You want to see a Jekoyami? Show you the Jekoyami. You see, big Jekoyami fish. Yeah, my boat. I ordered a new panel, but I won't see a panel until Saturday. So yeah. It was either.
I got one.
He got one. It was either do that and just kind of go through the entire boat, or
There's another one on the old scat.
Feeling kind of not good, so I went fishing. Yeah, so I will be trolling motor only next tournament, so that's gonna be
Another nice post spawner on the old cover scat, just covering a grass flat.
Yeah. I could definitely fish. I'll be fine. No hi. Oh, that was way too
I know.
That was fun. Still looked up by chance? Because that 3000, the 115 D4 does not have a ton of keys. Does not have a ton of parts.
That's a good one. No, not bad. Not that big. He looked big out there.
He became a lot smaller as he got.
Yeah, he became a Josh Sokol. He's like a Josh Sokol 8-incher. So it's like, yeah, two and 3/4. Yeah. Nice fish. Good bites.
It's a 2000 Yamaha 15.
Oh, he's got one.
What's that, Ryan?
It's a nice fish. Good job, Josh. Boom, baby. Oh, I got one. Dude, I thought it was grass. Oh, no wonder. It's a pike. Not a chupak, yeah, man. Not a chupak. It's a pike.
You're all. Yeah. Good man.
Oh, dude. Oh, that's not a pike. Okay. Pretty good. Swam off with it. Nice. Another one on the scat. Man, this is fun. Ooh. Tell me about him.
He's got scales.
Yeah.
He's got 2 eyes.
Yeah.
He's got a perfectly shaped mouth.
Oh, Jesus. It's a lot. But I'm going to throw in there real quick and see. Up. I know, before you get in there, huh?
Fishing that other thing that looks like it's dead.
Yeah.
Nice. Good call.
Pitched at a light spot. That's the Ryan Whitaker right there. It's a nice one.
That is solid bass.
Got him. Nice. Caught him on the old drop shot. It's pretty cool. That's why it's important to stay off. Right, Josh?
I always stay off.
It's a nice fish, actually. Back real quick. Get a nice little releasey. Buoys are good. They love buoys, dude. Especially around the spawn. A couple fish on it. They love buoys. It's a good one. Bardzo. Nice one right here. Good old cover scat. Nice. Yeah. Good one?
On the jig. It might be grass, dude.
I don't think it is.
I don't know. I think I felt the head shake. It's gonna be really funny when it's
Oh no, you got one. That's a nice one. Oh, I got one too. Oh, shit. Might have had one. Nice fish.
like we can't talk about what it's on because it's not on a.
It's not on a Japanese bait. That's all right.
Japanese bait.
Here.
But that's a bass right there.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
Nice one. What? Oh my God! Throw in there, if you want to. I don't know. It felt like an okay. Maybe don't throw in there.
Oh.
That fish bit it so weird.
Shitty ass jig is that?
One that you tie.
Oh, that's why.
You're the billy goat. Finally. Finally got one on the Nico. No, it's a pike.
Got a pickerel, bro?
Oh, Jesus H.
You want me to jump in for him?
Yeah, do it.
Land him with my feet.
Oh, dude, he's hooked perfect. Yeah. Oh, God, don't do like that. See how he like spiraled the rig back? Got a pike. Oh, you gotta tell me, Josh. Good one?
No.
That's not a bad one. Nice fish. Nice. Good boy. Jackarami. Oh, that's pretty cool.
He'll do it again.
It's a fish, though. Josh is putting on the show now.
I'm not putting on any show. Look how little they are. That's the JP right there. Grab by the line. Hi. The official bass angler of tightrope fishing.
Nice fish. Oh, you got him out of the pocket. Okay, see ya. That's the one I had. Got another one. Why are they getting hooked in the tongue?
That was cute.
You think they'll bite a chatterbait over here? Probably not, honestly, but... Why is my scope pointed down? Got one. You might do it?
Yeah, I might.
You might do it to yourself? Going back in. Josh Sokol. Caught a bunch of fish. Caught them a couple different ways, so that's good.
Sure.
So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Trim doesn't work on my motor, so we're just gonna pull it up. Hasn't worked for the last few days, so Josh is gonna be strong, or me, and yeah, we're gonna lift her up and get this thing home. Good day fishing.